In this video, we're going to replace a Moen Posi-Temp single level cartridge. This is the actual Posi-Temp cartridge that we're going to remove, and here you can see exactly where it fits into the Posi-Temp valve. The whole brass piece is the valve, and then this cartridge is inserted into the valve. The tub spout is constantly leaking, and this is the reason why we're changing out the Posi-Temp cartridge. In order to get to the cartridge, we're going to go ahead and remove the trim, and the first thing I do is remove that screw from underneath the handle. Once that's done, we'll see the black piece here. This is the handle adapter. Again, there's one screw. We remove that screw to remove the handle adapter. Now you can see here there's a lot of corrosion, so you're gonna have to wiggle it out to remove the handle adapter and pull it out. When you pull it out, you're gonna have access to the stop limit, which controls how far the handle can go, and the temperature limit, which controls how hot or cold your water is. Once we pull out the handle tube, we can start to see the cartridge, and in this diagram you can see where the cartridge is relative to the other parts. Next, we need to remove the trim plate, and the trim plate is being held in place by two long screws. We must remove these long screws, and once we do that, we'll be able to remove the trim plate. And what I like to do is put a slotted screwdriver, wiggle it, and the trim plate comes out. Next, we need to remove the retaining clip. The retaining clip keeps the cartridge in place. This is what it looks like. When you remove this, be very careful that it doesn't fall behind your shower enclosure, as we need to be able to remove this retaining clip in order to be able to pull out the cartridge. And you can see I have some channel pliers, and that's what I'm doing. You can actually get the extraction tool, and there is a link in the description. I didn't have the extraction tool, so I used these channel pliers in order to extract the cartridge out. You can see I'm just wiggling it and putting a little bit of pressure and pulling it out gently. And you can see here is the old cartridge, and after being here for 30 plus years, it's in bad shape and it needs to be replaced with a new cartridge. Here is the cartridge replacement. It's model 1222. We can see the old one is pretty beat up compared to the new one. Now on the new cartridge, they do include this lubricant, and what you're going to do with the lubricant is basically spread it all over these rubber gaskets. So wherever you see rubber on the actual cartridge, you want to go ahead and put that lubricant in there, and that's going to make sure it conditions those gaskets and they stay new over time. They don't get brittle and you don't get leaks. Once the cartridge has been fully lubricated, the next thing to do is to push that cartridge into the Posi-Temp valve. Now you can use the extraction tool for this. It will go ahead and help you put that cartridge into the valve and guide it in there. There's a link in the description. I don't have it, so I'm using the rag, and because it's been lubricated, I'm just going to go ahead and wiggle that cartridge in there, and you want to make sure it's all the way back there into the valve, inside the valve. Once it's inside there, you feel like it can't go any deeper, you want to go ahead and put your retaining clip on there in order to hold that cartridge in place. And you can see I'm putting the retaining clip now. The cartridge is as far in as it will go. The new cartridge came with this white piece that you see here, but then eventually I realized that the old cartridge did not have this piece, so I ended up removing it. Next, you want to make sure you have the trim plate and the handle tube ready, so make sure they're installed. And next, what we're going to do is insert the temperature limit and the handle limit. So the first thing I'm going to do is install the temperature limit, and that's followed by the handle limit, as you can see here. So both these white pieces go in there, and now here you can get a better perspective. You have the handle tube, and then you have the temperature limit, and then you have the handle limit. Next, this black piece here is the handle adapter, and that goes on top of the handle limit stopper. And we're going to go ahead and make sure that we move that around, that it's working. Next, we insert the screw into the handle adapter in order to secure it in place. And we're going to go ahead and just tighten that up. Once the handle adapter is nice and secure, we're going to go ahead and test it. You can see when I turn it on, the water is flowing. When I turn it off, it stops. And now the next thing to do is go ahead and install the actual handle itself. The handle is basically going to be installed the same way it came out. We're going to take our handle and push it into the handle adapter. Once it sits on top of the handle adapter, we'll put our screw, and then all that's left to do is screw that in to make sure that that handle is nice and tight, nice and secure. And that finishes the installation. The Moen Posi-Temp valve is a very popular and reliable valve, but like everything else, as it ages, things need to be replaced. Hopefully, following this video, you're able to replace your cartridge and save yourself money. I'm going to leave you with some installation diagrams and further instructions that you can pause the video just in case you missed anything that I was doing. And as always, I have all the links to the products I've used in this video in the description. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more.